Ritesh Agarwal, a boy from Odisha and the founder of India's one of the biggest startups, started by selling SIM cards on streets. No big degrees, no IIT tag, just hustle. At 13, he was writing code. At 16, he left home and moved to Delhi. By 18, he was already dreaming bigger than most do in a lifetime. As a solo traveler, he noticed a simple, painful problem. Budget stays in India were broken. No consistency, no hygiene, no trust. That's when he launched his first startup, Oracle Stays. It was meant to be India's Airbnb, but something wasn't clicking. Then came the pivot that changed everything. He realized instead of just listing properties, what if we standardized them? Same quality, same brand, same experience. That's how Oyo, on your own, was born in 2013. Investors loved it. Sequoia backed him. Then came SoftBank. And boom, Oyo scaled like wildfire. Within a few years, Oyo was in every Indian city, then China, then Europe, and US. Thousands of hotels, millions of rooms. Oyo wasn't just a startup, it was a movement. But in chasing global domination, something cracked. Hotel partners accused Oyo of changing payout terms. Operations couldn't keep up with growth. Customer experience dropped. Losses piled up, layoffs began. Oyo had scaled faster than its systems could handle. The brand had outgrown its backbone. Mr. Ritesh later admitted they expanded way too fast. They didn't take the time to fix the foundation. Here's the lesson. Scaling is not just about speed, it's about stability, systems, and sustainability. But Ritesh didn't quit. He pulled back, exited loss making markets, cut costs, built better tech focused on quality. During COVID, when the travel industry collapsed, Oyo almost did too. But they used that time to fix what was broken. Today, Oyo is leaner, sharper, and focused. Profitable in key markets, reduced hotel partners complain, preparing for IPO, and still led by the same college dropout who started it all. Tesh Agarwal's story isn't just about rising fast, it's about falling, learning, and building back better. Because great founders don't just chase unicorns, they build endurance.